right, guys, the sun's going down. I gotta grind this big old stump right here and this other one on the other side. I ain't got a whole lot of time, but I want to talk to you today a little bit about what to expect out of stump grinding. Stump grinding, for all the new people out there, that's for where a cutter wheel, it's got teeth on the end of it and it spins and it chews up this stump. And so if you're a new guy or you don't know nothing about stump grinding, the green teeth is what I use on the end of the cutter wheel. This is what chews up makes wood chips out of the stump. It grinds it up into small chips where people can move it around. He's got a tractor and he's going to level this out. So that's what you can expect from that. I go to 4 to 6 inches deep when I go to grind the stump. Typically on an average job, that's how deep I go, is 4 to 6 inches for them to grow grass. They're gonna put gravel right here. It won't be no big deal right here, so just to get it flush with the ground, they're gonna put gravel or put some dirt over it and it'll be fine. You know, it ain't gonna take too long to do this stump. Like I said, the sun's going down and I ain't got too long, so I'd say this is about 20 or 30 minutes. I can't do much more because this log's in the way. They'll have to move that and then this over there too. So I'm fixing to load the stump grinder up, blow this off, and call it a day on this one. So hey guys, if you like the channel, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.